back with another video, and I'm bored. Let me look for something. Oh, found something. What's this? Maybe we can dig into it. Oh, I zoomed in a little too much. That's just a closer look of it. So, I want some Lego money, but how do I get money? Because Lego money is fine, but real money would be better. So, nothing is here. Maybe if I tap right here. Oh, something popped out. If we pull this out, there'll be a hole right here. Let's tap again. Doesn't work. So maybe we can, looks like we can push this here. Nope. Maybe in here, this hole at the back only goes in halfway. So if we slide this right here, it will make this piece pop out, and then we unslide it and push it back in here. So then if we push this in, nothing. So maybe if we push in this white piece. Wait, I can see something. Ooh, it's Lego money, just what I wanted. $100, as you can see. $100. Sorry if it's too dark for you to see it. So to reset this is we put the Lego money right here. This will pop out. Then we put it halfway in here for this is to be normal, and then we push this in right here. And guys, that's the Lego puzzle box. So I'm bored again, so I'm gonna be doing another video on another Lego puzzle box in a minute with its twin. So I'm really hungry now. I gotta go and eat. So bye guys. See ya later. Peace 80. Yeah.